Hello everybody, welcome back to the Pay the Poolman YouTube channel. Today we're going to be adding a repair in plus for your customers. So let's go ahead and navigate over to customers, and we're going to click the customer that we would like to create a repair for. Let's scroll down here to plus, since this is going to pop up under your plus tab, and click add repair stop. Once here, you're going to fill out all the information. So the date that we want to have this repair done, let's make it sometime in the future. And if you want to add a time, you also can do that you would like to have this done. There we go. Which employee is going to be doing this? Any notes for your employee. And then you can also select if you want to import notes from a bid that was previously created, or if you'd like to view the repair request. You can also text a reminder 30 minutes prior to the appointment, or allow the employee to send an automatic text when they're en route to the repair. And you can also send a repair completed notice to the customer when the repair is marked as complete by your tech. Once all this is done, go ahead and click Save, and that's going to be added to the route right here. Once this is finished, it will be automatically logged down here and you'll be able to view it. And that's going to be all for this video. We are committed to giving business owners back their personal lives through highly efficient software and our caring support team. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button for more content, and we will see you in the next video.